Question number 56. Let's read it. Select the correct statement among the following. Concentration of DO below 6 ppm is good for the growth of fish. Student, this is an incorrect statement, as if the concentration of dissolved oxygen of water is below 6 ppm, the growth of fish gets inhibited. Moving to the next statement. Green chemistry means such reactions which are related to the depletion of ozone layer. Student, this is also an incorrect statement, as green chemistry is focused on processes and products that minimize the generation and use of hazardous waste. Moving to the next statement. Clean water would have a BOD value of less than 5 ppm. Students, this is a correct statement. Moving to the last statement. Plants work as sink for CO, that is carbon monoxide. Student, this is also an incorrect statement, as microorganisms present in the soil behaves as the sink for carbon monoxide, not plants. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Moving to the next question, which is question number 57. Let's read it. High concentration of nitrates in drinking water can cause blue baby syndrome at level over. Students, the maximum prescribed concentration of nitrate in drinking water is 50 ppm. Students, excess of nitrates above this concentration can cause blue baby syndrome. That means the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to next question, which is question number 58. Let's read it. The most stable carbocation among the following is, student, among the following, the most stable carbocation is 3-degree carbocation because of hyperconjugation effect. Because in this case, the number of alpha hydrogen are 9. Also, I'm writing the order of stability. So here I'm writing order of stability of carbocation. Number 1 is this 3-degree. Carbocation, this is most stable, followed by benzylic, further followed by this 2-degree, and the least stable is vinylic. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to the next question, which is question number 59. The IUPAC name of the compound given is, student, first of all, I'm drawing the structure of the given compound. CH3, CH double bond, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, OH. So we know that carboxylic acid is given the highest priority. So we'll start the numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 carbon atom. There is one other functional group which is a keto group. So 3 keto hex 4 in oic acid. That means the correct answer is represented in option number 2. Moving to the next question, which is question number 60. Let's read the question. Which among the given molecules can exhibit tautomerism? Student, for tautomerism, there must be at least one alpha hydrogen present. So in case of option number 1, there is no alpha hydrogen. Therefore, this compound will not show tautomerism. In case of option number 2, though there is an alpha hydrogen, but vinylic hydrogen will not participate in tautomerism. So this compound will also not exhibit tautomerism. Moving to option number 3, though in this case also alpha hydrogen is present, but this bridgehead hydrogen atom does not participate in tautomerism. Therefore, this compound also will not show tautomerism. Moving to the last compound, student, this compound will exhibit tautomerism. Let's draw it. Here I'm taking the given compound CH double bond CH OH. So let's show tautomerism. Benzene, CH2, C double bond OH. So students, it is very clear that the compound given in option number 4 will exhibit tautomerism and the other compounds will not. So the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to the next question.